Have you ever been exploring in one's human and suddenly seen the message ripple in space-time detected nearby? If so, you might be wondering what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. This message can indicate one of three things. You're near another player's whisper message. There's a chest or morphic crate nearby. A deviant is lurking in the area. Now, let's go a little deeper. Whispers are glowing blue and yellow butterfly spots on the ground. These allow players to leave messages. Just like in Dark Souls, sometimes they are helpful, warning of nearby chests, other times they are just trolls trying to promote their socials. If the ripple message means loot or danger, you can check by looking at your cradle backpack. If the light in the top right corner is blinking, bingo, you're close to a chest or a deviation. So next time you see a ripple in the space-time detector nearby, keep an eye on your surroundings. It could lead you to treasure or trouble. Hit like if this helped you out and subscribe for more Once Human tips. See you in the next one.